proud of resume. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add hyperlinks to your resume template. Now it's pretty simple, but before we begin I have to say that you really shouldn't add hyperlinks if you're submitting to an ATS system, so just make sure that you're not doing this. This could cause issues because they're not readable by ATS software. Okay, so now we're going to add your email address hyperlink, and the first thing that you'll need to do is highlight your email address that you've already put in your template. Right click, select copy, right click, select hyperlink, and then you need to make sure that you're under email address, and then here you can put in by right-clicking again and selecting paste. And then you can add your subject and then hit OK. Now the next thing that we're going to add is your web address. And what you'll need to do, you can go to the website. And here up at the top, you're going to highlight and right-click, select copy, go back to your template, and then highlight your email address, which you've typed in already. Right click and select hyperlink, and then right click again and select paste. And here you can add the subject and then hit OK. So next what you'll need to do is you'll need to export your resume template as a PDF. And for this you can hit Command Shift and then save, or you can go up to File, Save As, go to File Format here and then select PDF. Now this is an important part. You need to select Best for Electronic Distribution and Accessibility using Microsoft Online Services, and then Export. This will make the hyperlinks live for your PDF. And that is how you add hyperlinks to your resume template.